Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru WRX engine. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands. Begin by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Next, drain all engine fluids, including the oil and coolant, into appropriate containers. Finally, remove the intercooler and the entire air intake system to gain better access to the engine bay. Now, let's focus on detaching the engine's peripherals. Carefully unplug every electrical connector attached to the engine, labeling them if necessary for reassembly. Proceed to disconnect all fuel lines, vacuum hoses, and coolant hoses, ensuring no spills. Finally, unbolt and remove the exhaust manifold and downpipe assembly, which often requires some leverage. With the peripherals clear, we'll move to the engine mounts and transmission. First, securely support the transmission using a transmission jack or sturdy stand. Next, unbolt the engine mounts from the vehicle's chassis, being mindful of any hidden fasteners. Finally, carefully separate the engine from the transmission bell housing, ensuring all bolts are removed before attempting to pull them apart. For the final step, it's time to extract the engine. Attach an engine hoist securely to the designated lifting points on the engine, ensuring a balanced lift. Slowly and carefully begin to lift the engine, constantly checking for any remaining connections or obstructions. Once clear, gently guide it out of the engine bay. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.